First victim of the day. I'm about to replace the telematic module on this Equinox EV. So the first step is unplug the battery. But the reason I'm making this video is because those batteries, you can just unplug them because sometimes they are in service mode, meaning the high voltage battery is charging the small battery, meaning the 12-volt battery, right? So when that's going on, you cannot unplug it. You need to make sure that the voltage is below 13.5. If it's over 13.5, you have to wait for it to the service to be completed, and then you can work on it safely. Because when you're dealing with high voltage, you need to make sure you do everything safe. Whenever you see those orange cables, red cables, meaning the high voltage present, maybe present. Red is more like there is high voltage present there. So you need to be careful when working on those vehicles. And I'm taking the necessary precaution before I replace it, because the instruction want me to disable the airbag system. So part of the disabling of the airbag system, they want you to unplug. Make sure you do everything safe once again. You cannot just, start doing things. But the part that catch my attention is the fact that GM actually buried those batteries. There is at least 5 bolts holding that battery holder in place, and it's like this thing is more secure than the White House. Do Trump even get that kind of security? It makes no sense. You got all those things to secure the battery. It's not even only because it's EV. Even other vehicles, it's such a pain to replace the batteries. It's a lot of vehicles, modern vehicles,